What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the Discord if you wish. Let's get all the numbers up. And yeah, that's it, really. Let's just not waste any time and get straight into this. New Balance. So New Balance have been, doing a lot this year. Last year as well, end of last year, they were doing quite a lot. Amazing colorways, sneakers, everything. We're loving it, man. New Balance, keep it up. You're officially my second best now. It was Puma, now it's New Balance. So we've got that grey box, standard grey box that New Balance always has. NB New Balance logo, of course, and it says New Balance there. Again, NB New Balance. It's got a little, I like this, I don't know why I like it, but it's there. Their stickers information is always quite boring, to be honest. It's quite plain. They could do a bit more if they wanted to. So it says M202 REB, USA 11, D, medium, moyen, 10.5 UK, 45 Europe. Very basic. They do also have holes there, if you want to grab it like that. Yeah, not much information. It seems quite moody, that sticker. But let's just get into this pair. Yes. So a lot of you loved the previous New Balance release video that I posted, which was this pair, 2002R. That was in a black and white colorway. A lot of people like that video. I love this colorway so much. I don't know what it is, I just love this colorway, man. It's so good. New Balance is doing amazing things, and let's just go through the colors. So the sole, we've got that sole that New Balance do on this colorway, a bit of grip and stuff. It says New Balance. That's actually, no, it's not backwards, I'm just losing the plot a bit. And then it says Stability Web. Very nice sole. Then we've got this, like, I don't know if they're like shock absorbers, like Nike shocks or whatever, but like it's got like a bit of those on the back. Even if they are for just looks, I think it makes the shoe, to be honest. It really looks nice. So they're kind of like an ivory color, and then we've got like this off-white kind of cream light beige, and then NRG. Then we've got this suede, and I love New Balance's suede so much. It's so buttery smooth suede, man. It's good suede on the upper, a lot of suede. And then we've got like this denim type material, very different, but we've got a grey denim like on the collar, and then we've got like a smooth leather, like that's actually quality material, you can just tell. And that's a very nice color. Reminds me of like old school sports cars. They have this color on the interior, like a very light brownish type color, tan. We've got the New Balance N logo. I believe that's reflective. The logo itself is made of different materials, so it's stitched in, and then it's got like a shiny type material behind it, and then like a, I don't even know what you want to call that. We've got more denim, grey. It's like a dark grey denim, which just looks so good, man. I really like this pair. Then around the toe box again, we got that butter suede. Look at that butter suede, so smooth. I could just do this to the suede all day, man. Denim again, bit of 3M. Then we've got this leather on both sides, quite stiff. Little N there in red. That's not leather, it's more like a nubuck type material. Smooth suede, the eye stays and stuff. And I really do like these New Balance laces. I'm a big laces guy, I'll be honest. Laces can make or break things for me, because if I don't like the laces, I don't really like the shoe, which is weird, but it's me. These laces, proper nice. They are like quality laces, they will last. Don't know what. I think that's a bit of glue there. Yeah, it is. What is it? Thread. But yeah, New Balance running, little logo there. That is metal. No, it's not metal. It's just got a metal look to it. Could be. Quite strange, that. And then the inside, I don't like the white, to be honest. It does look good, but you know, if you wear this, like I've worn them once just to do on foot, they got little bits and bobs everywhere. I'm gonna say something that can be kind of controversial, yeah. I don't know if it's controversial or not. I'm not trying to draw controversy, but maybe it's just me. But I really do see Chanel runners vibes from these. Like, I don't know why. I just see Chanel runners in these. That doesn't make me like them more, but it's just like, you know, these are proper nice, man. They give me those vibes, but at the same time, comfort is key for me at the moment. Absolutely love the comfort of these. The previous pair, the black and white. This is slightly different, but you know, it's still so good. You know, with the grey denim bits. Very nice. The little tan on the back. I love this pair, man. I'm more excited to get these than any Air Max at the moment. So, you know, things change, man. But yeah, amazing shoe. I'm really happy with this pickup. I'm really happy with what New Balance is doing. I've seen loads of colorways in these. Some are a bit questionable, but most are nice. Don't really think I have much to say about them now. Or I don't have anything more to say, to be honest. New Balance, big up yourselves. Send me a free pair if you want. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, my people. And let me know what you think of these. If you hate them, if you rate them, just let me know. Comment below. Click the bell icon so you see when all the uploads are. Make sure you just wait a few seconds. You'll see an on-foot video of these. They look good on foot. And yeah, I'll also post it separately. Check out all the other videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And take care, my people.
Bye.